to my channel. Today we will discuss the effect of Trump's 100% tariff on pharma. The pharmaceutical industry in India has long been a global leader, known for its affordable generics and essential medicines. But what happens when a 100% tariff is imposed, like the one imposed by Trump? First, a 100% tariff means that the cost of importing Indian pharmaceuticals into US would double overnight. This would significantly raise prices for American consumers and healthcare providers, making essential medications less accessible. Second will be Indian pharma companies rely heavily on exports to the US market, which accounts for a substantial portion of the revenue. With tariff skyrocketing, many of these companies could face several financial strains. This might lead to layoffs, reduced research and development budgets, even the closure of some firms. Let us talk about the innovation. Higher tariffs could stifle collaboration between Indian and American companies. The US has been a key partner in developing new drugs and treatments. If that relationship deteriorates, we could see a slowdown in medical advancement that benefits patients worldwide. Moreover, this move could lead to a retaliatory tariffs from India impacting American pharmaceutical firms operating in India. It is a classic tit-for-tat scenario that could escalate into a full-blown trade war. Finally, we must consider the broader implications of global healthcare. Tariff could disrupt supply chains, leading to shortages and increased prices, not just in the US but globally. Patients who rely on affordable medications could suffer most. But it is said that generic medicine will be not affected, which is a low-budget medicine. In conclusion, while tariffs might seem like a straightforward economic tool, their impact on pharmaceutical industry and ultimately on patient care could be profound and far-reaching. The stakes are high, and we must navigate these challenges with caution.